Yes, I mean, the cut
Goldstone in the building.
Goldstone.
Man like Ghost. DJ Ranny.
Goldstone, don't tell me it's alright. We found that you've made mistakes, and now you're gonna feel very smart, boy.
Cause lately some been playing something going wrong. Yes, they got an attitude because they're in the losing mood like they used to. See, I can see it. Goldstone, you showed them down.
You must remember, Jaja, when you were born sentiment upon your corner.
DJ Ranny.
You must remember, Jaja, when you were born sentiment in a Rizla.
Goldstone International. Man like Ghost. DJ Ranny. Goldstone don't partial. Goldstone at the general. 90s man don't partial.
We need the Goldstone. We need the Goldstone. We need the Goldstone.
Goldstone in the building.
We need the Goldstone.
And this is something go my rope. Drop the Goldstone, you won't see tomorrow.
Anyway,
and this is
I'm not saying Goldstone.
Drop the Goldstone, you won't see tomorrow.
Cause the Goldstone, I love you more than words can say. My day is not a day when you don't play.
No, they can't test us. No, they can't test us. No, they can't test us. Wicked sound get lightning and thunder and brimstone and fire. Lightning and thunder and brimstone and who do you wanna pray? Joe and Lucifer. Who do you wanna pray? Joe and Lucifer. Goldstone, just hold on to Jaja and don't let go. Don't let go.
Down boy, come to Goldstone school.
DJ Ranny.
Teach you the style. Down boy, you better know yourself. Cause tonight you're gonna get big. Goldstone send you a burial camp. Goldstone send you a burial camp. Goldstone send you a burial camp, sound boy.
Goldstone, I got the thing I want to share with you.
Goldstone in the building.
What's this then? Soon and very soon, yes, we are going to see the King. Hallelujah, hallelujah, we are going to see the Goldstone. I wanna be a shepherd. Walk through the sun and preach a good word. Cause I was raised up in curse. Yes, and if I can't praise God, put
I'm
me
done
on
thing
the
now.
earth.
Man, I already beg some give submarine. Oh, you mean?
DJ Ranny send him on to the ground.
They love you on the machine. Alright, so what? How them some of them, we say them bad and them wicked. We check it out and them have some big guns to bed. And if them have a one gun fit to them stand this. What's good? How the two got and go to me tell them. Come and tell me say them wicked and bad. We check it out and them have some big guns. And if them have a one gun fit to them stand this. What's good? Now we go. Anything is a road, we go to see your house. So why don't